everybody. In this video, we'll be setting up the development environment for Python. So let's get straight into it. First, to write Python code, we'll need to download Python on our computer. So to download Python, you have to type in this link on your browser. So that is python.org/downloads. And then when you type in that link, you can see this kind of screen. Now, you have to click on this download button here. Download Python 3.8.3. I won't do that because Python is already installed on my computer. So just pause the video and download Python. Okay, now I hope you have downloaded Python on your computer. So now we're going to be needing a code editor for writing Python code. So we'll be using Pycharm. So now to download Pycharm, you need to go to this link over here. So just type in this link in your browser, jetbrains.com/Pycharm. Then you can see this kind of screen. Now, if you want to take a video tour of Pycharm, you can just click on this button right here. Okay, now just pause the video and you can just click this button and you can watch the video. Okay. Now you have to click on download over here, this download button. And then you can see this kind of screen. Now here you have to select Windows or any machine you're on. I'm on Windows, so I have selected Windows. If you're on Mac, then you can just select that. And if you're on Linux, you can just select that also. Now here you can see two editions of Pycharm. One is the professional edition and the other is the community edition. The professional edition is paid and it's costly. We don't need that. We need the community edition that is free. So just click on this download button. Just pause the video and download the community edition for Pycharm on your computer. Okay, now I hope you have downloaded Pycharm on your computer and you have even installed it. Now let's set up or create a project and a file in Pycharm. So I'm just going to open Pycharm. So here I've opened Pycharm and I've created a project called Python Training. Now how we can create a project is by clicking on File and then clicking New Project. So I'll just click that and now this kind of a window will open. Now you have to type in the name. So I'll just name this Python Training. Okay, we have spelling error. Okay, now you can even choose the location of where your project should be located. So after that, you have to click on this create button, but I'm not going to do that because I've already got my project created over here. I'll just close this window. Now I'm going to show you how we can create a new file. So you have to just right click on this project, select new file. So let's name this file python.py. .py is the extension for a Python file. So this is a Python file. Just click enter. Okay, as you can see that the file is created. Now this is where we'll be writing in our code. Okay, we'll use the same project and the same file later in this course. So that's it for this video, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Goodbye till the next video.